Millions of years before Homo sapiens roamed the earth, our ancestors used roughly hewn stone as a tool. Yet technology has changed more in the last 50 years than across all of time. This is because of continuous innovation in products, and also thanks to disruptors, people at the cutting edge who see the potential in technology to change the way we live. And still, the pace of change accelerates. New technology forms part of our very identity, our networks, our tastes, histories, creations, plans, all stored on handheld devices with 100 times more computing power than the Apollo spacecraft. Today's technology is so efficient, it doesn't just enable us to do things differently, it enables us to do different things. At the touch of a screen, we can be in the classroom of the best teachers in the world using video tutorials, and we can simultaneously be doing desk research online. We can be in our own music studio. We can create and sell our own products. We can browse the world's biggest shopping mall. We have new capacities to learn and invent, combining words, music, pictures, real-time interaction. Just as technology is fundamental to being human, so is society. We are born collaborators. Communication, creativity, adaptability, these are all now vital skills for the 21st century. And anyone in the world can now be part of our network. Powerful new mobile devices don't just help us organize our lives and fulfill our potential as workers, learners, fans, consumers, producers. They're a platform for a new and more collaborative stage of human evolution. Students today can now learn by reading and writing directly on digital devices. School children in Asia can collaborate with school children in Australia via video calls to develop ideas to green the planet. Doctors in Africa being guided in real time by doctors in America. A global network of amateur scientists discovering and naming new stars. Across the world, people are meeting online to share ideas, to solve problems, to combine resources. With technology enabling us to work together, every problem seems like it might have a solution. What do you hold in your hand? The future of the world.